Hi friends, we are going to make this mask with the things that are available at our home and without using a sieving machine and also the elastic. So first take a magazine or newspaper. So this plate width is about 25 centimeters. So I'm using this plate and just made a circle, and this is going to be our template for the mask. So just fold it in half and then again fold it. So now you get this a small quarter of that circle, and then take a cloth which is available at your home. It should be the cotton cloth, so that way the mask would be much more comfortable. So I have taken this cloth which is available at my home. So this is a cotton cloth and which is very soft, so it would also absorb the sweat or something like that, and it feels cool when you use this type of cloth in your masks. So cut down this half and then cut it down again into half. So like this. So this is very easy. So now you need to cut the other half. So this is the old trouser. So in your home you would be having your old clothes. So choose the design which you are not using it anymore, and then cut the same pattern just like you did it for the white cloth. Now we are going to sieve without a sieving machine. Use your pen, or if you have any chalk paste you can also use that. Just maintain a half a centimeter, and then you can use the back stitch. So the stitch that I am using is called a back stitch, which is also very easy. If you observe it closely you can see, and this is not hard, and this also stays good. I mean, you can also use the other method, which is like you just go on, it's a very simple stitch, but this back stitch keeps your mask very good. See the back side of this mask, see how it looks. So that's it, you do it like this. See how good it is. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes to sieve this. That's it. If you can do the same thing for the other one as well. So this is going to be the outer fabric for the mask. So see how I have used this back stitch to sieve my mask. It's very simple and very easy. Now we are going to connect the both the right side of the cloth, and then you are going to sieve in the same way. You are using the back stitch. So before you start stitching, mark with a pen and draw the half a centimeter. So this is going to be your mark for stitching, so that you don't go up or down, something like that. So this would definitely help you. Use a pin so that it would stay together and it would be easy for you to stitch. So this you don't need to spend anything. You can use the fabric that is available at your home. And I am also using the same back stitch. See, this is very easy back stitch, but without a sieving machine also you can do this, and you can also use the same back stitch for any type of projects. If you don't have a sieving machine, you can use this one. So making this mask is very easy, and you are not even going to use the elastic. Stay tuned, I will show you the trick how to add this, replace this elastic. So all this mask is made from the recycling things only. So now you have done. So you need to reverse it. I am using this safety pin, and then I am just do like this, so that ways you can reverse the mask very easily. So once you reverse, it looks like this. So you can iron at this point, you can press it, or you can do it in the later part. So here I am just pressing the corners, and this corner I am just folding like this. So here we are going to insert the handles, I mean the elastic. So I am here also I am just sieving without showing the stitches on the other side of the mask, just connecting only with the white fabric. So that way from the outer part it looks good without any stitches that are seen. So use the simple stitches to make a very good mask at home. If you are a kid, you can also do it. You can also make your own mask like this. So that's it. I have finished this stitching. So here we are going to insert elastic. As you might be thinking, oh, she said that she's not going to use elastic, but wait, I'm going to show you. So that's it. You also do it on the other side. So once you do this one, just keep it aside. Use your old mask. So here you get this elastic. If you have any old masks at your home, you can use those elastic. It is very easy for you to find masks like this at your home, and then you can use it. You don't need to buy the elastic from the shop. Instead, you can make one from your old masks. So here you can also use the glue stick if you have, the hot glue gun if you have, but I prefer to make a stitches. So this stitch would keep it more strong than using the hot glue, something like that. Or you can also put a knot, but the knot, it takes lot of space to stay in the middle. So I just used a small stitch to hold it, and then I have used, see how it looks. So now you can press it. So once you press it, that's it, the mask is ready and it has a proper shape like this. See how I made this mask without buying anything from the shop, and you can make this even without a sewing machine. See, so that's it. Stay tuned for such an interesting ideas and subscribe to S19 Creations. Thank you.